In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar with a QR code. This process will help you easily share your calendar with others by simply providing them with a QR code to scan. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, look to the top right corner of your screen. There you will see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. Click on this icon, and a menu will appear showing all the Google Apps available. This step is crucial because it leads you to the Google Calendar, where you'll manage your events and sharing settings. Once you click the icon, you'll be ready to proceed. Next, click on the Calendar option from the menu. This will redirect you to Google Calendar, where all your events are organized. Here you'll see your existing calendars on the left sidebar and your scheduled events displayed on the main page. This is important because having access to your calendar allows you to share the right one with your audience easily. You should now see your calendar interface, and we're moving on to the next step. Now hover over your calendar name on the left sidebar. You will notice 3 vertical dots appear next to it. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the Settings and Sharing option from this menu. This step is vital because it opens up various settings related to your calendar, including sharing options. You will be taken to a page where you can adjust who can see your calendar and how much detail they can view. After that, look for the Access Permissions for Events section. Here you will find a checkbox labeled Make Available to Public. Check this box to allow anyone to view your calendar. If you prefer, you can also change the drop-down to See Only Free/Busy, hide details if you only want people to see when you're busy without revealing specific event details. This choice matters a lot because it gives you control over your privacy while still allowing others access to your availability. Once you have done that, scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. This section contains the essential links and codes you'll need for sharing your calendar. You will find several options, but the one you want is the public URL to this calendar. This URL is what will be transformed into a QR code, making sharing even easier. Next, copy the URL inside the public URL to this calendar box. Highlight the entire link, right-click, and select Copy. This is an important step because this link serves as the foundation for the QR code you will generate. Take your time to ensure you have copied it correctly. Now that you have the link, paste your public calendar link into Chrome's address bar. You can do this by right-clicking in the address bar and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V. Once pasted, you will see the link ready to be transformed into a QR code. This action signifies that you are almost ready to share your calendar with others. Finally, click the Share icon, which looks like an arrow pointing out of a box or 3 dots on the right side of the address bar. From the options that appear, select Create QR Code. You will then see a button to click that says Download. Once you click Download, the QR code will be saved to your device. This QR code is now ready to be shared, allowing others to scan it and access your calendar easily. You have successfully created a way to share your Google Calendar in just a few simple steps.